Hello, viewers. Welcome. Another episode on the WASI January, February 2025 Core Mathematics, which is the first series of the NOBDEC for this year. This question is question number 10. The cost which is taken at C or feeding student in a certain school is partly constant and partly varies as the square root of the number n of the student. So if the cost is $640 to feed 144 students, and that of $560 to feed 64 students, we have to find equation connecting C and what n. This is basically variation. This is partial variation. So we are going to be dealing with two constants. One is a fixed constant, the other is a constant of variation, which is the constant of proportionality in there. So we are going to use, let's see, the first constant, let it be K. So if I am going to check, I will have C to be varying partly to the constant 1. Then the same time is varying to the constant what? 2. And this constant of proportionality is varying as the square root of what? N. So as the square root of what? N. So this is the equation that we are having. C varying partly as a constant and partly as the square root. So this K is a value as in C varying as the square root of what? N. Where this is the constant of what? Proportionality. So C will be equals to what? The K, the root of N. Since we have a constant already, hence we indicate this what? Second constant. So we are adding the two together. Now, check. From here, we have been told that if the cost, which is the C, of feeding N, 144, so we can only say that when C is, what is that? 640, then N is what? 144. So let's do substitution. So that means that as you have 640 equals to K1 plus K2, the root of what? 144. This is the N and this is the C. And we know root 144 is just what? 12 times 12. That is 12. So I should be having 12 here. Let me rewrite it to be K1 plus K2. This is 12. So I should have 12 times K2 equals what? 640 as my first equation, since the K, both 1 and 2 is not known. Then we move on to the second one. When C also, the cost is now moved to reduce to 560. That is $560. The numbers also reduces to what? 64. So let's do substitution. C 560, K1 plus K2, the root of 64. Remember, root of 64 is also 8 times 8, so that will give us 8. So I should be writing my K1 plus K2, and that will be 8. K2 equals to 560. Equation 2. So solving equation 1 and 2 simultaneously, I can see that K1 have the same coefficient, so I can perform subtraction. So equation 1 minus equation 2, make the K1 to be 0. 12 minus 8 to be 4K2. Then we have 640 minus 560. And that will be giving us 80. So we divide by the coefficient 4. K2 will give us what? 20. So now that we know that we can pick any of the equations, let's see. Let me pick equation 2. So put K2 equals to 20 in equation 2. So what is the equation 2? I have K1 plus 8 times K2 equals to 560. So K1 will be equals to, 160? This is plus, let me put the plus there. Okay, let me take it all there. 560 minus what? 160. So K1 will now be what? 400 if you perform that subtraction. So if that is out of the way, we are going now to the first part of the question. Equation connecting C and N. This equation is not the one connecting C and N because K1, K2 are all unknown. They are still inside. So our first part of the question. So we can have C. Let me just say, so the equation connecting C and N is going to be C equals to K1, right? And K1 was 20. K1, okay, 400. K2, we have 20. Then the root of what? N. So that's the equation. It means that if I know the cost, these are going to be the constant values that are going to be in each calculation. The cost, the number. These things are constant. All right. Then the second part, we have to find the cost of feeding 92 students. What represent 92? N represent 92. When I put 196, when I put it there, I can find this easily. So here we are going to say the B part. When N is 196, your C will be nothing but 400 plus 20, the root of 196. And I'm sure 196 will give us 14, right? Root 196. That will be 14. So we still have 400 plus 20 times what? 14. So all these will be giving us 680. Therefore, the cost is going to be $680. Then for the C, what are we looking for? Number of students that can be fed with what? 700. Number of students, looking for the N. Then the cost is what? 700. So here, when C is 700, see this? It means 700 will be equals to 400 plus 20, the root of what? N. So we are going to transpose this. We'll have 700 minus 400 equals to 20 root N. And I guess this will be giving you 300 equals to 20 root N. Divide both sides by the 20. So the root of N will now be equals to, what do we have? 300 divided by what? 20. Fast forward, this will be the root of N equals to what? 15. We need to get rid of the root by squaring both sides. So N will now be equals to 15 squared, which means N equals to what? 225. So what do? We can just say, therefore, 225 students. So the conclusion becomes 225 students can be fed with what? $700, right? So if we know the equation connecting the two variables in the question, any other quantity given to you can easily be found the moment the constant of variations and the fixed constant are known. All right, if you need more tutorial on this, check the playlist on on YouTube and variation. We have a lot of tutorials on all aspects of variation in there. Try them and abreast yourself with more information. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.